beginner's luck.
So I set out to do some research about what kind of art I wanted to do. Here's the plan. I'll have 3 separate challenges. So what I'll do, I'll start with a beginner mode. Next, we'll have an intermediate mode. I'm going to consider this one a stretch. A la carte arts, how to draw a cartoon body. I basically just followed along with that. And yeah, Cartoon Tyra.
Hey guys, welcome back to part 2 of Beginner's Luck. Now in the last episode, we basically just went over the research and then we did the beginner's mode. Now we're going to move on to intermediate. But first, using the skills that I learned in the last episode, we're going to do a little warm-up.
And we're back. Welcome to part 2 of Beginner's Luck. So this time we're doing a little warm-up. We're going to see if we really learned anything from the last time. So I thought it'd be a cool idea to try to recreate a drawing of characters from my childhood. So if you can recognize so far, I'm doing Bubbles from my favorite Cartoon Network show, the Powerpuff Girls. So just kind of relax and watch me draw. And here is the final version. I think I actually did pretty well. You can tell who it is at least. For the next one, I thought I'd throw it back just a little bit further to my Nick Jr. days. Now, this girl's a queen, she's an explorer, she's Dora. And I remember when I was little trying to draw Dora, and I never could get it down. So this time, I'm just gonna really give it my all and see if I can do it at the age of 21. I don't know how to feel about Dora. I'm gonna be real with you. It's a little bit rough. How do you feel, Dora? How do you think it looks? Yeah, you're right. Okay. Next one.
Cut the cameras.
Now this was a show. American Dragon Jake Long. To the J, to the A, to the K, to the E. He's a magical selection from the NYC American Dragon Jake Long. Enjoy. Yeah, Jake Long was looking a little rough. I low-key kind of gave up. Yeah, I know. Okay, I'm sorry. I kind of gave up on Jake Long. Okay, give me a break. So basically, it's weird because it felt like as went on worse. I really just got worse. But then again, American Dragon Jake Long was more ambitious than Bubbles. So there's that. As you can see, I did some hatching on Dora's hair. I did some outlining. Just a lot of things that I learned the first time. And yeah, I'm pretty proud of it. Even though it's not great, it's pretty good. And that's all we can really ask for. Now, the thing to me that makes it like the worst are the hands. I don't know how to do hands, and it's making me really mad. You know what? Therefore,
our intermediate challenge will be drawing realistic hands.
But first, I do want to give credit to the tutorial I'm following, which is from Farhana Drawing Academy. They go pretty fast, and I just kind of follow them really, so I'm going to let you watch them first, and then I'll put a clip in of me trying it out. Okay, a few things about what I did here. Now, first of all, I started the hands so far up on the page that the fingers are completely cut off. Another thing is the wrist is a little thick. It was completely wrong. And the shapes are just like, they made it seem very easy in their video. It's not that easy, okay? So I'm gonna give myself a pass on that, but stay tuned for more things that I think I did wrong. Yeah, all in all, it's not good. It's not bad though. So I was thinking that here's the final version. If I can do another one of the hands that were shown in the same video, then I'm gonna give myself a pass. I'm gonna pass myself. So I demand a redo. This hand is the first one in the video, and I thought, I can try a hand at an angle. I feel like these shapes are a little bit easier, or at least I felt that way before they weren't. So again, I'm gonna let you watch that, and I'm gonna show you what I did, and then at the end we'll just see if I pass this one. Okay, yeah, I know I just let you go, but pointing out once again that I start this time way too low on the paper. Okay, as you can see, it's kind of dragging because a lot of erasing took place, but I think I made it happen. More on that in a minute. At this point, I decided that I would give myself extra points in creativity because the nail was looking dumber than I hoped it would. So I'm adding black acrylic nails to the hand in hopes that it will mask the fact that I still can't draw nails. So here's a side by side of both of them. I mean, I'm not quite sure if I actually passed. I mean, I guess I could try again, but oh, look at that. Finger must have slipped. Huh.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to follow our social media. And once again, my name is Tyra from Splitting Image.